Welcome to Bike Buzz, your go-to channel for everything motorcycle. In today's video, we're diving into the 2025 Harley Davidson Road King Special, a bike that combines power, style, and comfort in one amazing package. Whether you're an experienced rider or a new enthusiast, this machine is bound to turn heads. Let's explore the features, performance, and everything you need to know about this incredible cruiser. The Road King Special, a quick overview. The 2025 Harley Davidson Road King Special is the perfect blend of classic Harley Davidson heritage and modern performance. This bike is designed for those who crave long-distance comfort and the undeniable Harley presence. With bold, muscular lines and an aggressive stance, the Road King Special is one of Harley's most popular touring motorcycles. For 2025, it's been fine-tuned to bring you an even more refined experience. Design and aesthetics. One of the first things that stands out about the 2025 Road King Special is its striking design. With a sleek, minimalist aesthetic, the Road King Special embraces a modern, blacked-out look. The chrome elements are replaced with blacked-out finishes on the engine, exhaust, and other components, giving it a more aggressive and bold appearance. The bike also features custom-style touches like the smooth, wide fenders and the large, intimidating front fork. The Road King Special doesn't just look good, it's also built for comfort and long rides. It features a comfortable solo seat that's both stylish and supportive, ensuring you can cruise for hours without any discomfort. The overall proportions are just right, not too bulky but still imposing. It's a bike that knows how to make a statement. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Road King Special is the Milwaukee 8 114V twin engine. This powerhouse delivers an impressive 119 lb-ft of torque, ensuring that riders get ample acceleration and power on both city streets and open highways. The Milwaukee 8 114 offers a smooth, low-end grunt with the kind of punch you need to overtake or cruise effortlessly at high speeds. For riders who enjoy a little more control, the Road King Special features a responsive 6-speed transmission that pairs well with the engine's performance. The bike also boasts a soft and stable ride thanks to the dual-bending valve front suspension and rear emulsion shocks, which absorb the roughest road conditions, ensuring a smooth, comfortable experience no matter where the road takes you. Technology and features. The 2025 Harley Davidson Road King Special is packed with modern tech to enhance both safety and convenience. It features a 4.3-inch color touchscreen display with Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to stay connected while on the road. You can control your music, navigation, and incoming calls without taking your hands off the handlebars. For those who enjoy touring, the Road King Special comes with electronic cruise control, making long-distance travel a breeze. Additionally, the bike is equipped with the Reflex Defensive Rider Systems, RDRS, which includes advanced safety features like cornering, enhanced ABS, traction control, and a stability system that helps keep you secure in various riding conditions. Comfort and handling. One of the standout features of the Road King Special is its comfort. Harley Davidson has always prioritized the rider's experience, and this bike is no exception. The low-slung design ensures that the rider's feet are firmly planted on the ground, making it easier to control the bike at low speeds. The wide handlebars give you a relaxed yet commanding posture, perfect for long journeys. The bike's suspension system is also worth mentioning. With a 49mm front fork and adjustable rear shocks, the Road King Special can handle rough roads with ease, offering a ride that's both smooth and comfortable. Whether you're cruising through city streets or embarking on an extended tour, this bike offers a plush experience. Customization options. Harley Davidson is known for its customization options, and the 2025 Road King Special is no different. From saddlebags to lighting packages, you can make this bike truly yours. The bike's modular design allows for easy upgrades and personalized touches, so you can create a Road King Special that matches your exact style. Whether you prefer a more classic look or something more aggressive, there are countless accessories and parts to choose from. Price and value. As with most Harley Davidson motorcycles, the Road King Special comes with a premium price tag. The 2025 model is priced around $23,000, but given the quality of engineering, performance, and the iconic Harley Davidson name, It offers excellent value for those who are serious about their riding experience. You're not just buying a bike, you're investing in a legacy of craftsmanship and a road-ready companion that will last for years to come. Final thoughts. The 2025 Harley Davidson Road King Special is an outstanding motorcycle that combines classic styling, cutting-edge technology, and unbeatable performance. Whether you're looking for a touring bike with the right mix of power, comfort, and style, or simply want to enjoy long rides, the Road King Special delivers on all fronts. With a rich legacy and a commitment to innovation, Harley Davidson continues to set the bar for cruiser motorcycles. If you're in the market for a bike that embodies freedom, power, and luxury, the 2025 Road King Special might just be the perfect fit for you. Be sure to drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts on this incredible ride. Thanks for tuning in to Bike Buzzin'. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more motorcycle reviews, news, and tips. See you on the road!